Ahoy, shipmates! I've been invited to France to see the launch of the brand new Neoliner Origin. Introducing the Neoliner Origin, a new era in sustainable shipping. Get ready to witness a revolution in maritime transport. In this video, I'll take you aboard the magnificent Neoliner Origin, the world's first commercial sailing roll-on, roll-off, or ro-ro to you and I, cargo ship, and give you a tour of the cabins and the bridge. And I'll also explain some of the technology behind this one-of-a-kind sailing vessel. Built for Neoline to their own specification, this 136-metre vessel is pioneering a sustainable transatlantic route, sailing between Saint-Nazaire in France and Baltimore in the USA, taking approximately 14 days. Equipped with a carbon fibre mast supporting 3,000 square metres of innovative solid sail technology, the Neoline Origin uses wind as its main propulsion. This eco-friendly design, combined with a hybrid diesel-electric system and smart routing, dramatically cuts the vessel's environmental footprint. The ship is designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by cutting fuel consumption by over 80% compared to conventional ships of a similar size, carrying up to 5,300 tonnes of cargo, from rolling equipment to containers. There's even space on board for fully completed powerboats up to 24 metres in length. Why is this a new idea? Well, in essence, it isn't. Ships have been powered by wind for many thousands of years. Introducing sails to a modern cargo ship of a commercially significant scale is where the revolution takes place. So, why put sails on cargo ships now? The IMO, International Maritime Organization, has just adjourned a session of the Marine Environment Protection Committee, MEPC, which was convened last week, the 14th of October 2025. The IMO Net Zero Framework is a major new regulation that aims to reduce greenhouse gases and emissions from international shipping, but it hasn't been adopted as of yet. You may not see ships every day, but if you watch this channel you certainly will. But ships play a big factor in moving goods by sea. 90% of the world trade is moved by sea, and this accounts for 3% of global emissions, and also 7% of the world's oil consumption. However, e-fuels are not predicted to be plentiful until at least 20 to 30 years. In the meantime, why not harness the wind? I asked Michel Perry, one of the co-founders of Neoline, that exact question: why use sails? He said to me, working with sails disappeared about a century ago. Since then, new knowledge and technologies have emerged, such as weather forecasting and communications. He had a chance to work on the tall ship Belém and observed how sails evolved over time, especially thanks to our friends in racing sailing, who had developed many interesting things. He thought all of these advancements, pulled together by curious minds, could update the relevance of working sails in the commercial industry.
But it seems that for the first ocean crossing, it's expected that we will have some very favorable wind conditions.
Yeah.
I'm confident. I'm excited.
The captain is looking forward to the first transatlantic voyage, and perhaps this will be just the first ship in a new fleet of sustainable ro-ro ships carrying cargo across the Atlantic. The cost of shipping a container on the Neoline Origin is not very competitive, but the cost of roll-on, roll-off cargo is the same as the market rate, making this a sensible and feasible vessel for replacing existing fuel-only ships. Slower, yes. Same price for the cargo, yes. But over 80% savings on fuel consumption. A real win for wind power. Right, just need to find a way to get on board the 14-day transatlantic passage. I couldn't think of a better way to sail across the Atlantic. Well, hope you've enjoyed that one, shipmates. If you want to see part 2 of the video, click in the top right hand corner of the screen and I will show you the interior and the bridge. Till next time, shipmates.